everyone, I'm excited to introduce you to ceramic, vinyl, and rubber protectant, the perfect solution for restoring and protecting your vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces, both inside and out. Whether you're dealing with faded trim or want to protect healthy surfaces to prevent fading, this powerful protectant has you covered. Formulated with a durable SiO2 and polymer blend, this protectant creates a robust barrier that safeguards all of your vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. This dressing provides superior UV protection to help prevent damage from the sun's harsh rays, while also imparting a hydrophobic barrier, repelling water and protecting against contaminants like dust, dirt, and even water spotting. Whether your trim is brand new or a bit seasoned, this product will keep it looking pristine by restoring a rich, dark satin sheen. The easy-to-apply formula self-levels, making streak-free, even application a breeze. And it also dries quickly to a non-greasy, touchable finish that enhances the overall look of your vehicle and, best of all, won't attract dust or dirt. It's perfect for both interior and exterior surfaces. From dashboards, door panels, center consoles, exterior rubber and textured plastic trim, tires, this versatile product delivers long-lasting protection and a deep satin finish with minimal effort. Applying ceramic, vinyl, and rubber protectant is a breeze. Simply apply a few sprays to a foam applicator like our blue detailing sponges, then spread the product in a uniform coat over the surface being treated. Reapply to the sponge as needed, and allow the product to set for about 3 to 5 minutes, then if necessary, buff away any excess with a clean, dry microfiber towel. For severely faded or neglected surfaces, additional coats may be necessary. Whether you're looking to restore color or simply add protection to keep your vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces in great shape, ceramic, vinyl, and rubber protectant is the perfect solution. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.